Welcome to our Financial Icon channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of options trading. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to enhance their knowledge, you're in the right place. Options trading can seem complex, but trust me, we'll break it down into simple, actionable steps. Stick around to learn how you can potentially amplify your investment strategy. First things first, let's grasp the concept of options trading. Think of it as a contract giving you the right, not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price by a specific date. Sounds intriguing, right? Well, it gets even better. Now you might wonder, why choose options trading? One word: versatility. Options offer incredible flexibility and potential for higher returns compared to traditional stocks. They enable you to benefit from market movements without requiring a huge initial investment. Plus, they can be used for hedging strategies to minimize risk. Feeling intrigued? Let's talk about how beginners can get started. Tip 1. Educate yourself. There's a wealth of resources available, from books to online courses. Tip 2. Start small. Begin with simulated trades or small investments to grasp the dynamics without risking too much. As with any new venture, mistakes happen. However, we're here to guide you away from common pitfalls. One common mistake is neglecting a solid strategy. Without a plan, it's easy to get lost in the volatility of the market. Another is ignoring risk management. Always have a clear exit plan and don't let emotions drive your decisions. That wraps up our crash course in options trading for beginners. Remember, knowledge is power in this space. By understanding the basics, employing sound strategies, and managing risks effectively, you're setting yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Also, share your thoughts or any questions in the comments below.